What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines. Continuing, well, I should say finishing the Trident 660 build series. So, the Trident's done. Basically what happened was I was out riding with the boss and the coworker holding the camera, and the coworker and I came around a blind turn. He stuck his leg out to tell me there was gravel. By the time I had registered that he stuck his leg out, I hit the deck and slid all the way across the road, across both lanes. The bike made it and hit a ditch and flipped. I didn't make it, I hit the car. It is what it is, unfortunately. Kind of sucks, but the bike ended up being more okay than I did. There's quite a bit of damage, but I will say that the Hepco and Becker guards did their job absolutely wonderfully. There's very minimal damage to them. This little part frame slider here has been twisted loose, but it ground down like it was supposed to, and the rigidity of the guards helped save the radiator, the bodywork, the engine case, pretty much everything about the bike. Without those guards, this absolutely would be a total loss, but because we had those guards on there, it is not a total loss. It can be repaired. Mostly everything is pretty much cosmetic. The Zard exhaust here has a little damage to the end cap. That can be replaced. Got a snapped foot peg here, that can be replaced. Damaged rear brake pedal, that can be replaced. But it starts fine, the body works fine, and overall it's in a lot better shape right now than I am. Because the bike flipped, we ended up losing a mirror and a mirror perch. This mirror is absolutely trash now. It wiggles and does all kinds of funny things. There's a little dent, and overall, I mean, the bike walked away pretty good, and would you believe it or not, it actually starts just fine. It was cold, so that's why it sounded like crap right there at the end, but bike's pretty much okay. And if it weren't for the guard, and in combination, this Hepco and Becker SIBO carrier kind of ended up acting like a slider for the rear subframe. On the opposite side here, the SIBO carrier absolutely just snapped in half, and if this weren't there, then there'd be a ton of damage to the seat and the foot pegs and everything else there. But because that was there, that kind of helped act like a guard, and in combination with all the other crash protection we had, the bike ended up being mostly okay. But that's all we got for you guys today. That's pretty much the end of the Trident series, I think. Thanks for tuning in and following us with it, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest Moto Machines madness and build series to come. Ride safe.